called planetary gears motion mechanism.
Okay.
You can see here, no, there are three gears inside, and this is a main gear.
Yes.
It will revolve around it.
Yes.
It's called the morphoanatomic padding. You told about memory foam, no? This is original memory foam.
Got it.
See, the helmet weight will not fall upon your head.
Yeah, got it.
The suspender
will be distributed.
The suspender will take the weight of the helmet. See, it's in Pinlock 70 helmet. Pinlock 70, it will be fully covered, end to end. Pinlock 70 Max Vision. They call it Pinlock 70 Max Vision. It's one of the most selling models in LS2 in dual sport series. Most premium helmet in this segment. HPFC. HPF, the full form is High MT Thunder 3 Pro, one of the most selling model in MT.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog Yamantaka 17. Today I am back here at Helmets Mall. Today it's going to be an interesting vlog. Helmets under 15,000. Last time we had covered helmets around under 5,000. But today it's going to be an interesting helmet video about helmets under 15,000 but above 5,000. So stick to the video till the end, guys. With no further ado, let's get into the video. Hi Yashwant.
Hi bro, how are you?
I'm doing great, bro. Last video was great.
Yeah, bro, we had a very good response for the last video. So, for the which we had uploaded for in the last, I think, like when 1 month ago, no?
1 or 2 months ago.
1 or 2 months back, we had a very good response for it. So, the continuation of the video is here. So, I'm here to take you guys through the helmets which is above 5,000 but under 15,000. I have selected some of the best models here. You can take a look at it. So, I'm here to show you all the models.
This is the first helmet.
This is the first helmet which is above 5,000, slightly above 5,000. It's priced at 5,250.
Okay.
This is called SMK Typhoon.
Okay.
And this is also a very beautiful helmet with a good looking spoiler. And this is also an EC 22.06 certified helmet. It's DOT and it's also an ISS certified. It's also an EC 22.06 certified. And this is a touring helmet. You get a drop down sun visor in this.
Yes.
And there is Pinlock anti-fog also included. It's in Pinlock 30 film which is included with the helmet, and there is also 5,250 with a good number of ventilation. And
so it comes with speaker pockets.
Yeah, it comes with speaker pockets and quite reasonable padding.
And I guess the weight will be around
500 to 600 grams, depends on the size. There is two shell sizes in this.
Okay.
S and M one shell size, it will be 1,575 grams.
Okay.
For slightly big headed people, it will be L and XL, it will be again 1,675 grams, 100 grams difference.
Got it.
And the next helmet is an open face helmet.
For our cruiser riders,
Harley riders, this is an open face helmet. This is an urban helmet.
Okay.
This is AXOR's carbon fiber. This is a new launch from AXOR. This is called as forged carbon fiber.
Okay. With this marble finish.
Not a marble finish, carbon fiber.
Yeah.
This is not a weaved carbon fiber. This is a forged carbon fiber.
Yes.
It's totally handmade shell.
Okay.
And this is also a DOT and ISS certified helmet. You'll get a very good padding inside. This padding is called Alcantara padding.
Okay. This is used in premium
cars, car interior, seat covers, all you can see. This is called Alcantara padding, and this is also fully removable, washable. And you get a bubble visor with this.
Okay.
It will be, you can two-step movement visor. Very ventilated helmet for urban use.
Yes, got it.
And next comes
the weight of this helmet.
Weight of the helmet will be 950 grams.
Okay.
The price of this helmet is 5,210.
Okay.
This is for urban use. Okay. If you have a very good maxi scooters,
yes.
For that the people use this.
As a secondary helmet.
Secondary helmet only for city use.
Got it.
And next comes the AXOR X-Cross.
Okay.
This is an 100% off-road helmet.
Yes.
You have beak sunshade. You have an extendable beak also. Okay. And this is also a fully removable, washable helmet. You will have double D-ring fasteners in this.
Yes. Race ready.
Not race ready, off-road. Only for tracks.
Yes.
And this is DOT EC 22.06 latest G certification and with ISI.
So the weight
is 1,350 grams. Lightweight. You have to use an off-road MX goggles for this.
Yes.
This is an 100% off-road helmet.
Got it. And the price of this would be?
Price of this is 5,980.
Okay.
And next comes then LS2's premium open face helmet. This is called LS2 MX OIF 570, and this is a model name is Verso.
Okay.
And the make of the KPI is called make of the shell.
Kinetic polymer
alloy shell. And this is also in fully removable washable helmet. You'll get speaker pockets inside. It's EC certified also. You'll get a drop down sun visor.
Oh, so it's pretty unique feature.
Unique
for
feature.
it.
You open face helmets
helmet.
comes with sun visor, but this is a little bit premium helmet, like this. And the open face, this thing is also mechanism is quite good like this. And one more thing, if the sun visor is down and if you open the main visor, the sun visor also goes up.
Okay, so very convenient.
Very convenient feature. You no need to keep fiddling with the sun visor.
Got it.
Opening it, closing it like that. And the padding is also very good premium padding.
Yes. So
And there is ventilation.
Convenient for urban use.
Urban use. These main open face helmets are mainly for urban use. The price of the helmet is 7,150. And next comes the MT helmet. MT Thunder 3 Pro, one of the most selling model in MT.
Yes.
This is the Thunder 3 Pro series from MT. And this is also in DOT, EC and ISI triple certified helmet. A very good padding, comfort liner, removable, washable. You get speaker compartments inside. This is also it comes with ventilation. And this is the polycarbonate shell. Polycarbonate shell starts from this model.
Okay.
And this drop down sun visor you get.
Speaker
Comes with double
pockets.
D-ring, everything.
Weight of this would be.
Weight of this would be 1,600 grams. Same.
Okay. And the price of.
And there will be a spoiler for this, which is not fitted now.
Okay.
We have to fit the spoiler for this. When you go for this helmet, we'll fit the spoiler and price of this helmet is 6,800. 6,800 in graphics, 6,600 in solid colors. If you go for solid color like matte black, glossy black or white, it will be 6,600 rupees. And this is a new entry level helmet from LS2, not entry level, a mid level segment.
Right.
And the model name is FF808 Stream 2. Again, this is in KPA shell, kinetic polymer alloy shell, EC 22.06 certified.
Yes.
And it's also an ISS certified helmet. And the one more good thing in this helmet is you'll get an emergency to pull cheek pads in this. What is the main use of this cheek pad is, see, after an impact, if you remove the helmet directly from your head, there will be a chance of head injury.
Yes.
You just hold it and pull it out like this, no? All the paddings will come out. Then it will be easy for the helmet to remove from your head. And it also has a visor lock.
Yes, so that it doesn't pop
For wind, the visor will not open.
Yes.
You have to press this and then open. This is a lock. You have to press this to release the lock.
This is more safe.
More safer and more convenient also.
Yes.
And again, it also has a drop-down sun visor. And one more good thing in this helmet is, if you look at the padding, no, I'll show you one second. So you can see the padding of it. This is called in headband suspender.
Okay.
You can see.
First time I'm seeing. Yeah.
You can see, no, this is a headband suspender. One second.
Okay, so inside it is more comfort.
More comfort, and one more thing, no, what will happen, no? In this padding, no.
Yes.
See, the helmet weight will not fall upon your head.
Yeah, got it.
The suspender
weight will be distributed.
The suspender will take the weight of the helmet. See, it will be like this.
Yes.
This is also one more good feature in this helmet.
More comfort.
More
for
comfort.
long touring.
Yeah, for long touring. And one more thing, this visor is also VEGA certified visor. Okay. I'll show you wait. So you can see here, no, exceeds VEGA 8.
Yes.
This is a certification for the visor, mainly for the visor. Only in LS2 brand you get this certification. What the certification means is that the visor will be optically corrected. You will call it optically, no distortion in the visor. You see in any point of the visor, there won't be any distortion in the visor.
Yes.
And this is an optically A grade visor.
Because some things may appear closer,
some distortion in the view.
Yes.
And the thickness of the visor will be 2.2 mm.
Got it.
This is an optimal thickness of the VEGA certified visor.
It's optically
corrected. Optically corrected.
Yes, correct.
You won't have the, to say in simple language, you will not have the power specs vision.
Yes.
It will be proper. You might have seen in some of the helmets, the side portions will be little bit distorted. In this you will not have. The vision will be 100% clear. And next comes then, this is a dual spot helmet from AXOR. This is called an XROS.
Yes.
XROS, this is also an EC certified, DOT certified and ISS certified helmet.
Yes.
And this is a dual spot helmet for people who go off-road and on long tourings.
Yes.
For them, this helmet is very suitable. You can remove this visor and anytime pop an MX goggles. And you'll have a dual visor. And this is a main visor, and you have a pin lock also. The pin lock is 70. This is a pin lock 70 helmet. Pin lock 70, it will be fully covered.
Yes.
End to end. Pin lock 70 max vision. They call it pin lock 70 max vision. This one will be end to end cover. And this is also fully removable washable helmet. And one more thing is you'll have different color liners in this. So the liners will be matched to the helmet's color. So you can see neon and the neon liner. If you go for an orange helmet, you can see an orange liner inside, like that.
So pretty cool.
Pretty cool. You can remove the beak also. You can remove the beak and use it as a full face helmet also. So if you're using it for like a normal sports bike, you can remove the beak and use it as a full face helmet also. You can remove the visor and pop on a goggles, and you can use it as an off-road helmet also.
So usually what I have seen with bikers in my city is till they go to the racetrack, they need a highway helmet, and at the track they need an off-road helmet.
No, track is a different off-road track.
Off-road track they need an off-road
helmet, yeah.
But till they go to the track, off-road track,
they need a full-face helmet.
So this does.
You can remove the beak and use it as a full-face helmet also.
So very convenient for both highway purpose and on off-road purpose.
Off-road purpose, both. And next comes then LS2 Pioneer 2 model. It's one of the most selling model in LS2 in dual sport series. It's a little bit premium, priced at premium, and the helmet is also a little bit premium.
Amazing design of this.
Yeah. The vent will be inside. Opening and closing of the vent will be inside, not outside. And this is also in KPA shell helmet. This is also an EC 22.06 certified and ISO certified helmet. And you'll get a drop down sun visor also in this, and the same emergency to pull cheek pads also inside. And the padding should be very plush in this. You can see at the video. The padding should be very plush in this. And
for optimal comfort.
For optimal comfort, and you can even remove the beak also in this. In this also you can remove the beak. The helmet weight distribution of the helmet will be very good in this. You'll not feel the weight of the helmet. When you wear the helmet, you'll not feel
balanced.
Very balanced. Weight distribution will be
left.
It won't be in the front. It won't be in the back. It will be at the center. The weight distribution will be very good in this helmet, and there are many graphics in this. The price of this helmet is 9,850.
Super.
And next comes the LS2's starting in the premium level. This is LS2 Storm 2. The model name is Storm 2. This is also an KPA shell helmet, EC 22.06, and this is also an ISO certified helmet. You will have a drop down sun visor in this. And there is a pin lock insert with the helmet. Comes with the helmet. The pin lock 70 insert. And the padding will be very premium.
This is the most premium
padding.
This video, right?
This is called a comfort liner. It will take the shape of a head once you wear.
And I guess it has memory foam.
Not memory foam, a comfort
something
liner. Similar to that. And this is also an antifungal and antibacterial liner.
Best for people who are touring long distances.
This is also a microbial control technology. This is on fresh lining. It will be antifungal and antibacterial treated. You will not have that smell, like that pungent smell in the lining and all. It will be, this is also a fully removable washable liner. And the weight of this helmet is just at 2,500 grams, plus or minus 50 grams. It will be very comfortable. And the air channeling also very good. There is one vent here, one vent here, and these are the exhaust vents. Actually, this is also an exhaust vent. One here, this is also an exhaust vent for this helmet.
So the price of this helmet?
11,000.
So next, back to AXOR.
Next comes this is a carbon fiber helmet, one of the most affordable carbon fiber helmet.
And also kind of one of the cool looking carbon
fiber because of this chameleon colors in this. Chameleon like colors in this.
And it's shifting the color.
Yeah, that's what chameleon colors. That's called chameleon colors. There's a little bit rainbow tinge in this. This is the chameleon colors. And this is also an EC 22.06 certified DOT and ISI. And the padding will be, compared to a normal AXOR helmet, the padding of this will be a little bit premium. And this also has an dual visor. And it also got a pin lock insert. This is a pin lock 30 insert.
But we can upgrade.
You can upgrade. You have to change the visor also. You have to put in pin lock 70 visor and pin lock 70. If you want, you can upgrade.
So the price of this helmet would be
12,000.
12,000.
Yeah.
So now we are at the,
and this is not 100% carbon fiber. This is carbon composite. People get confused to carbon fiber and carbon composite helmet. This is a carbon composite helmet. 100% carbon fiber, it will be very expensive. This is a carbon composite helmet.
Better than the normal shell.
Better than normal shell. It is a mix of fiberglass and carbon fiber.
So now we are at the most expensive,
most premium helmet in this segment. We have reached the 15,000 rupees mark. And this is called the LS2's Vector 2.
Amazing design, graphic. Good
the graphics also will be very amazing.
Black
bike, not car, bro. The speciality of this helmet is the shell is made up of HPFC. You can see here. HPFC. The full form is High Performance Fiber Composite. This is a fiberglass shell helmet. Unlike normal helmets, it will be made up of ABS or either polycarbonate. This is a fiberglass shell. This is one of the highest level in helmet shells, fiberglass shells. And we will have a visor lock also in this. See, like this. A metal lock. This is made up of metal. Aluminum visor lock in this. And there will be 4-5 steps in the visor operating mechanism. And we will have a dual visor also. And again, this is an EC 22.06 certified and ISO certified helmet. It will be 1,500. And one more thing is, only one helmet in the whole world which has 6 shell sizes. No other brand makes a 6 shell size helmet. You will have each and every size will have an each and own different shell. See, this is an L size. It will be 1500 grams. If you see M size, no.
Yes. Pretty cool graphic.
This is M size and it will be 1450 grams.
Okay, they have six different
shells for
the same model.
Same model.
Sizes.
If there is different shells, no, fitting will be optimal. We will get a perfect fitting. See, adjusting the padding will not have the perfect fitting.
Yes.
If there is different shell sizes, no, you will have a perfect fitting.
Yes.
This is 1450. And one more thing is, you will have an 5-year warranty for this helmet.
Amazing. So the LS2 has put in more effort
into optimal fitting and making this helmet. Yes. And this is rated as best buy by the Rider magazine. There is a Rider magazine called it's an European magazine. It is rated a best buy for this. And I'll show you one more thing in this helmet. The mechanism.
Yes.
The visor mechanism. This is called planetary gears motion mechanism.
Okay.
You can see here, no, there are three gears inside, and this is a main gear.
Yes.
It will revolve around it.
Okay.
Use the helmet for 5-6 years. This mechanism will not spoil.
Fail-proof.
It will not fail-proof. It will be like that. If it falls somewhere, if you have an accident, if the mechanism rubs off, then you have to send, then there will be need for the mechanism replacement.
And the motion is smooth.
Yeah, the motion will be smooth. This is called planetary gears.
Got it.
Mainly.
Got it. First time I'm seeing this.
There will be 3 gears which will be revolving around it.
Yes.
This will not. The gears are made up of aluminum.
Okay. Pretty cool.
And there is 2 vents here.
Yes.
And the chin vent, one is up and one is down like this.
Okay.
The opening mechanism is quite different. And one more thing in this, the padding is called morph anatomic padding in this. You can see here.
Yes.
It's called the morph anatomic padding. You told about memory foam, no? This is original memory foam.
Got it.
And it has got emergency to pull cheek pads also. What is the basic thing of this is the morph anatomic padding is it will take the shape of your head.
Yes.
You wear it for 10 hours, you will not feel anything, you will not feel your cheeks is pressing, nothing. And you can see this, the lock. This is called a smart pull tab. You have to just pull it like this, it will come out. This is called a smart pull tab.
Got it.
See, there is no need to fiddle with the mechanism, fiddle with the light, this thing and all. Just pull it like this.
Amazing.
It will open. Locking it like this.
Because D-ring is,
D-ring is mainly used for track use.
Yes.
This is
the most safest, but there is a lot of inconvenience.
See, what is the thing is, after wearing the gloves, you can't put the D-ring.
D-ring, yes.
Okay. And removing it and putting it is very difficult, but D-ring is good for tracks.
Yes.
For touring, buckle is preferable.
Yes.
This is called micrometric buckle. This one is preferable and this is made up of aluminum. This is not plastic, it's aluminum.
Got it.
There is no chance of breaking also. If on an impact, it will only bend, it will not break.
Yes.
And the double visor is hidden here, like this. And there is speaker pockets also inside to install your Senas. Hope you like the video, guys. I have showed you all the helmets ranging from 5,000 to 15,000. Hope you like the video. We have many colors in this. I cannot show you all the colors in a single video.
Yes.
So I have showed you one of the good movement colors in this. We have many color options in this, like 10-15 color options in each model.
Yes.
If you guys come down to our store, we can show you all the colors and we can give a good price also.
So for people who are away from the store, they can order it.
Yeah, we do pan-India shipping also.
Yes.
You can contact us through our Instagram page or you can contact through my mobile number also. We do a pan-India shipping also.
So any color, any size?
Any color, any size. If you don't have the size, it will take 2 to 3 days to come.
Yes.
You have to give us 2 to 3 days time, then we can ship you the helmet.
Amazing.
Shipping will be on us. If you want any of the helmets which I showed or if you want any other helmets also, please come down to our store. We have a wide collection of helmets. You can come down, you can see what colors you want, what models you want, what sizes you want. Everything will be mostly available in our store. We will give a very good pricing also. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thank you, Yashwant.